Hello, and welcome to the annual reporting video for the Tennessee Strong Families Tracker tutorial series. In this video, we are going to go over the annual reporting tab in detail. The annual reporting tab will give you totals for all the demographic and service data manually entered in the Q1 through Q4 tabs, and the services delivered counts that are populated from the services log, as well as the data manually entered in the services category columns from the Client ID Key tab. Please note, you should not input anything on this page except for your agency info in cell A1 and the name of the person completing the report in cell B1. Please note the additional instructions provided on this sheet that will tell you where the annual count should or shouldn't equal the sum of the counts listed under each quarter. For demographics, these totals are pulled from the quarterly tabs. For service categories, most rows and columns contain data that is also pulled from the quarterly tabs, except for the number of individuals who receive these services row that sits directly under each service category heading. Here, the annual total is pulled directly from your inputs on the Client ID key. Thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial series on the Tennessee Strong Families Tracker. We hope you find these videos helpful. Please remember, should you have any questions or experience issues with your tracker, you can reach us for assistance via email at strongfamilies@utk.edu.